go to 4D review, animation and animation editor, plan versus actual. Now click on animator animation editor, camera and focus time. Here two diamond appears. One diamond is for camera and another diamond is for focus time. You can see the animation start date showing here. Now move focus point and click on camera and focus time for next diamonds. Again move the focus time and click on camera and focus time for another diamonds. Okay, you can play the animation. Okay, now click on 3D view. In left hand view, right click and date to use, click on plan dates and click on right hand view, set the camera position, right click and select date to use as actual dates. Now go to 3D view properties, click on General and Indicators and click on Focus Time and check the focus time. Now focus time is appear from right hand 3D views. Click on right hand 3D view and go to the legend. You can off the legend. Now if you want to play, click on play. You can see the progress of actual respect to plan. Now you can select the animation plan versus actual, right click and export animation.